After the huge success of ChatGPT, Claude AI also came with the similar chatbot where you can get the answers which is powered by powerful AI. So in this video I will check this Claude AI and I will give you a quick overview that is it a working thing or not, is it better than ChatGPT or not, and does it totally free or not. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, this is basically Anthropic company is powered this Claude AI, and this Claude version is 2. Its own version, Claude version is 2. And if you compare this is basically right now in the beta and it is absolutely free to use. And if you quickly overview this is only available, it is saying US and UK. So I will show you how you can use for all the countries, not only US and UK in this video. So it is own version Claude 2 is going on and it is totally free. And the main thing is that the data set or the training data is September 2021 for the ChatGPT, but in the Claude it is up to 2022 December, so more than 1 year's extra data is available. Another thing is that in Claude you can get token limit of 1 lakh, and in ChatGPT 3.5 or 4 there is a 4096 or 8192. So there is a huge jump in the answers. So approximately 75,000 word you will gonna get in single answer. It will be handled by a single prompt answer in the Claude 2, or basically right now current Claude beta version. And both chat history can be deleted, and ChatGPT cannot be used over VPN, and also during sign up you have to verify the mobile number via OTP. But in Claude there is no such limit that you can use VPN, and as well as you can sign in with just a simple email ID, even it is a temp mail, no issue, and no mobile number is required. So that's a privacy point of view, that's great. So let's jump into the Claude.ai and let's try to sign up. So let me show you whether you can get sign up from other country but other than US and UK. So right now I'm going to a temp mail provider. So I'm just gonna this temp mail to Claude.ai. Remember, there is no password type of thing is there. You have to log in via code every time. So as soon as click on login with code, it will give the warning that only available in US and UK. Now how to bypass it? The first thing is that you can use VPN. The location of US and UK saying, so you can use United States or you can use the UK nation. So I'm gonna use the Netherlands. This is also working. US location is also working. So any VPN you can use. I am using the Proton VPN. So let me just refresh this page and also refresh the temp mail. So get a new email. So as soon as I got the new email, I am gonna put it here. And boom, it's successfully logged in. Now I am gonna test that if you are gonna type here hi, it is working here. So now I'm gonna test. I'm gonna disable the VPN and let's see. And yes, without VPN the Claude is working. So that's a great thing. So at just one time you need a VPN US or UK location, that after signing up you can easily use without any VPN and anywhere in the world. Now the main thing is then the free version. Here you can see you can use files up to 10 MB and 5 files at once, and also it accept PDF, text, CSV, etc. So etc is written there. So let me try one log file. Let's see how it analyzes. So it is a log file. I am just gonna upload. So you can one by one 5 maximum upload, and let's see how does it analyze this log file. Here it is saying it looks like you are showing installation of a Realtek audio driver, and yes, it is a Realtek audio driver. The version is Windows 10 64-bit. It is also going there, and the location path, program files, temp folder, whatever is there, it is detecting Realtek HD audio driver in 64 folder to up to 2 program files. So where it is installed, it also is coming, and the exe file of this particular driver also coming. So lots of details is fetched from a single log file. So here you can say I have tried with jpg file, image file, it does not work. So only that kind of things, that text type file is given there, you can analyze the text. So now let me get some programming aspect. I've given instruction that in a Python write a code for JSON parsing. So let's see how does it parse. So it is giving example how to parse. So you can copy and everything, and the code you can copy code also. So now I'm gonna instruct that it will use beautiful soup. So I have now said to do the same thing using beautiful soup plugin. So here you can see from bs4 import beautiful soup. It works really great, I must say. So for the programming purpose it works great. So it's printing all data and some overview is written there. Now let me talk about how it does ACO's perspective. So I have seen as a export expert 10 blog topics to provide on basis of Firefox browser. So let's see how does it give the title. So the new Firefox is faster than ever. What is the new? So you can see the very catchy title is there, and it is giving the 2022 as the extension. As I said, it is up to 2022 data is there. So yeah, it works. So now what I'm gonna say that write a blog on the 5th topic. Let's see does it continue on the previous chat or not. So I'm saying that write a blog of 600 words on the 5th title you have given, that is the best Firefox add-on and extension for 2022. So let's see. It's got a bug here. I got the 5th one, it took the 4th one. Maybe the bot took the first line as one title also. It may be. Yes, again now 6th title I have given this, that thing was working 601 words. So what I'm gonna word count it. The thing you can notice, I have put the output in the word, and here you can see 2500 character is there, but word is 371, and next I have typed that 410 words only. So here you can see 410 words, but it was saying there in 601 words. So it may be the limitation of the bot, maybe after giving certain outputs it stopped processing, maybe the free version or beta version of the limit, but I don't know. So that is a problem here, means what I are seeing here you are not gonna get. So maximum you can take one chance, it will give 400 words, so not the 600 whatever is written there. So after that it is just stopping there. So it started typing the poem here, it's quite a bit long. Now I'm gonna write a song. So let's see. So here you can see the matching of the last was near, dear, embrace, chase, tight, night, warm, storm, bliss, kiss, skin, begin. So it does have the knowledge of matching the last line when you are writing a song for the rhythm purpose. So yeah, it's a great in the point of view the free things, and it does require a lots of improvement because it is right now in the beta stage. So let's see how they improve, and will they compete with the chat gpt or not in the future, or they will be better than chat gpt or not. Anyway, in this video I'm signing off. See you soon in my next video. Till then, goodbye, take care.